Have you thought about adding figurative wooden pieces to your living spaces? Figurative wooden pieces have the remarkable ability to add sophistication and character to living spaces, transforming ordinary environments into extraordinary showcases of craftsmanship and artistry. The use of wood as a medium for figurative art is a timeless tradition that spans cultures and eras, offering both aesthetic appeal and a connection to nature. These pieces not only serve as decorative elements, but also as conversation starters, enriching the ambience of any room. One of the primary reasons figurative wooden pieces exude sophistication is their inherent beauty. Wood possesses a unique warmth and texture that can enhance the overall aesthetic of a space. Each piece of wood is distinctive, characterized by its grain patterns, colors, and knots, which add depth and interest. When crafted into figurative forms, these natural characteristics come to life, creating sculptures or decorative items that invite admiration. The organic qualities of wood can soften the overall look of a room, bringing a sense of tranquility and harmony that is often sought in modern interior design. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of figurative wooden pieces to add sophistication to your living spaces. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, figurative wooden pieces often tell a story. Many artists and craftsmen draw inspiration from their cultural heritage, personal experiences, or the natural world, infusing their work with meaning and purpose. This narrative quality can resonate with homeowners, allowing them to connect emotionally with the art in their spaces. A beautifully carved wooden figure or an abstract sculpture can evoke memories, provoke thoughts, or simply inspire a sense of wonder. This level of engagement elevates the decor beyond mere ornamentation, turning it into a focal point that reflects the values and interests of the inhabitants. The versatility of wood as a material further enhances its sophistication in home decor. Figurative wooden pieces can take on a multitude of forms, from abstract sculptures to realistic representations of human figures, animals, or nature. This adaptability allows artists to experiment with different styles, techniques, and finishes, resulting in a diverse array of pieces that can complement various design aesthetics. Whether a homeowner prefers minimalist, contemporary, or rustic styles, there's likely a figurative wooden piece that can seamlessly fit into their vision. Moreover, the craftsmanship involved in creating figurative wooden pieces adds an additional layer of sophistication. Skilled artisans often spend countless hours perfecting their creations, employing techniques that have been passed down through generations. This dedication to craftsmanship reflects a commitment to quality and artistry that resonates with discerning buyers. Each piece becomes a testament to the artist's skill and vision, making it a valuable addition to any collection. Homeowners who choose to incorporate these pieces into their decor are not just acquiring an object. They're investing in art that embodies passion, creativity, and hard work. The tactile experience of interacting with wood also contributes to the sophistication of figurative pieces. Unlike many other materials, wood invites touch, with its smooth surfaces and varied textures. This sensory engagement can enhance the overall experience of the space, encouraging individuals to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship up close. Whether it's the polished finish of a sculpture or the rough-hewn surface of a carved figure, the tactile qualities of wood invite exploration and connection. This interaction can create a more inviting atmosphere, fostering a sense of warmth and comfort in the home. Incorporating figurative wooden pieces into living spaces can also promote a sense of balance and harmony. Wood has a natural ability to ground a room, providing an organic element that contrasts beautifully with modern materials such as glass and metal. When strategically placed, these pieces can serve as focal points that draw the eye and create visual interest. For example, a striking wooden sculpture can anchor a room, providing a sense of stability and elegance. This balance between natural and contemporary elements can enhance the overall design, creating a cohesive and sophisticated environment. Furthermore, figurative wooden pieces can serve as a reflection of personal style and identity. Homeowners often choose art that resonates with their values, interests, and experiences. By selecting wooden sculptures or carvings that speak to them, individuals can curate spaces that feel authentic and meaningful. This personalization allows for a deeper connection to the decor, transforming the home into a true reflection of the inhabitants. The presence of thoughtfully chosen figurative pieces can create an atmosphere that is both inviting and inspiring, encouraging self-expression and creativity. The environmental benefits of using wooden art pieces also contribute to their sophistication. Many artisans prioritize sustainable practices, sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests or using reclaimed materials. This commitment to sustainability aligns with a growing awareness of environmental issues and the desire for eco-friendly choices in home decor. By incorporating figurative wooden pieces that are crafted with care for the environment, homeowners can make thoughtful decisions that reflect their values while enhancing their living spaces. In addition to their aesthetic and environmental benefits, figurative wooden pieces can also support local artists and communities. Purchasing these items directly from artisans or at local craft fairs fosters a sense of community and connection. It allows homeowners to support the creative economy while acquiring unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. This relationship between artists and buyers can create a sense of shared appreciation for craftsmanship and creativity, enriching the overall experience of owning and displaying figurative wooden art. As homeowners explore the world of figurative wooden pieces, they may find inspiration in the diverse styles and cultural influences that shape this art form. From African tribal carvings to Scandinavian minimalist designs, the global nature of wooden art offers a wealth of options for personal expression. Each piece carries its own cultural significance and story, allowing individuals to curate collections that reflect their interests and passions. This exploration can lead to a deeper appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship involved, further enriching the experience of incorporating figurative pieces into home decor. The trend of incorporating handcrafted wooden art into living spaces also aligns with a broader movement toward artisanal and handmade goods. As consumers increasingly seek out unique, high-quality items, the demand for figurative wooden pieces continues to grow. This shift away from mass-produced products toward thoughtfully crafted art supports a resurgence of traditional craftsmanship and skill. By embracing this trend, homeowners can not only enhance their spaces, but also contribute to a cultural movement that values artistry and individuality. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked figurative wooden pieces to add sophistication to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.